Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Decide the learning objective and aim for a 60 to 90-second core concept that focuses on 3 main points to teach. Draft a 6 to 8 panel storyboard in 16:9 aspect ratio so shots match the voiceover and pacing. Write a 90 to 120 word voiceover and mark 3 visual cuts per 30 seconds to keep motion steady and comprehension high. Time each panel and note props, graphics, and motion so production moves efficiently and you preserve audience attention. Set your camera to record at 1080p and 30 fps for general content, or choose 24 to 60 fps for cinematic or high-motion shots. Place a lavalier or shotgun microphone close to the speaker and record a backup audio track to prevent loss. Test levels so peaks stay below 0 dB. Use 3-point lighting to separate subject from background and aim to keep ambient noise under 40 dB. Lock exposure and white balance for consistent frames throughout the shoot. During editing, tighten pacing to keep the final cut near 60 to 90 seconds and structure it into 3 clear sections. Hook, teach, call to action. Export as MP4H. 264 at 1920x1080 and choose a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Create a 1280x720 thumbnail that highlights the concept visually. Add burned or uploaded captions. Set a publish schedule of 2 posts per week for consistency. And review engagement and retention metrics daily for 7 days to iterate on future videos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.